I'm from Kathmandu. I first heard about Oswego when I met the international recruitment manager at the time. She told me all about the fantastic program at Oswego and the fact that it was right by Lake Ontario, and I saw the pictures on of the campus on the internet. It was beautiful. And I also saw the student media organization, WTOP, and how it was producing these amazing live newscasts and sports programs and all of these events. And I wanted to be a part of that. I wanted to do it. We have a lot of camera movements in the A block. So I had a very clear goal in mind, and that was I wanted to be a journalist as soon as I came here. And that was the whole reason I came here, right? So I was dead set from the beginning that I wanted to be in WTOP, the student media org.
Three, two, one.
I wanted to produce, I wanted to report, I wanted to do everything, and that's how I got involved. I started off as an anchor. I was a floor manager. I was working teleprompter. I've done video playback. I've done graphics. I've done technical director. I just wanted to get to know every aspect of media production. I interned at CNN International in the summer of my sophomore year as a planning unit intern. My job responsibility there was mostly to book guests and prepare them for interview, basically track sources down who are on the ground, or if there's a story that requires expert opinion, or if we need, eyewitnesses or anything like that. I had an incredible team that helped me develop that and kind of gave me room to grow. Well, the weather's great, the lake's great. We have incredible people here. They're going to be super supportive. I've always felt very supported by the faculty and the administrative staff here. I've been incredibly blessed in that regard because I wanted to be a journalist. I went into school for broadcast journalism. I got all these experiences for broadcast journalism. So I'm just trying to see what the future holds and what kind of opportunities pop along.